everyone, welcome to my channel. Recently Rahu has transited the sign of Taurus and Ketu has transited the sign of Scorpio in the cosmos, and both Rahu and Ketu are going to stay in these signs for the next 1.5 years. So let's go ahead and find out how this transit is going to affect your zodiac sign for the next 1.5 years. And in case you like my video, please push the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to push the bell icon so that you can get updated with all my upcoming latest videos. And in case you want personal readings from me on your horoscope, please feel free to contact me on my email account or at my Facebook page or my Instagram account. The links are given below in the description section. Gemini, Rahu is going to transit in your 12th house of the horoscope. So let's find out what Rahu is going to bring for you for the next 1.5 years. For Gemini people, most of you will be having a spiritual bent of mind. You might want to get into yoga, meditation, and also you will be making a lot of foreign connection during this time. Now you may want to invest in these foreign connections to increase your wealth and assets. You may want to add a financial bent to this connection, but be very careful because Rahu is a malefic. It's an illusion, so it might be that some of these connections might not be genuine and you might get cheated. So there could be a loss of finance also. So be very careful while making new foreign connections, long distance connections. You have to keep that in mind. Next, it's a very good time, a very good period to take care of your mother, to be close to her and share time with her. Also a very good time to invest in home renovations or real estate matters, buying cars and vehicles. It's a good time for you. And other than these, there can be some minor problems with your in-laws, or there can be some difficulties to your in-laws, but don't worry, just maintain a calm and diplomatic approach and things will get sorted out on their own. Now let's see what Ketu has in store for you. Ketu is transiting in your 6th house of daily work, routine life. So Geminis, you might want to add spirituality to your daily life, like you might add yoga or meditation practices in your daily life. Next, you may also want to stay away from your daily work life hassles, like staying away from enemies and obstacles and daily life challenges. You will tend to stay away, remain detached from all these things because Ketu represents detachment. Next, you may do a lot of research work in your career field, like you would like to improve your career, and you will research online or offline various ways to bring some or the other changes in your career field, which will bring some improvements. And at the same time, you would also like to do research work on various financial schemes and policy matters which will help you in increasing your wealth and assets. You will do research work in finance matters, in gaining financial stability as well. So all this for Gemini ascendant and moon sign. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon to get updated with all my upcoming videos. And in case you want personal astrological consultation from me on your horoscope, you may contact me personally on my email account or on my Facebook page or Instagram account, Hriday Astro Reflection. The links are given below in the description section. Thank you very much. See you soon.